I have a Craftsman 1/2 horsepower garage door opener and it's not working. Here's what my issue was. I take the garage door opener and you can see it's closing. And then when I go to stop it, it won't stop. And then now it's down. It won't open. One of the things you can check is the light bulb. So I did switch out the light bulb. I did have a LED light bulb in there, so I switched that out. But then this doesn't work, and it'll take a while. It'll take a few clicks, and then finally it'll go. But then when I go to stop it, it's not stopping, and it just continues to go up, and nothing's happening. Okay, what I did to get this garage door up and running after I had those issues, first thing you have to do is come over here and you gotta unplug that. Make sure that's disconnected from power. You do have to be careful, there is a capacitor in there. So we've unplugged it. Next thing I did is there are 4 1/4 inch hex screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they screw in 1 here, 1 there, and then 2 on the top on the other side. Once you take those 4 out, you can drop this down. Next thing you're gonna do is there are a couple hex screws, or 4 hex screws here. You can see the white holes at the bottom here. 1, 2, and then there's 2 on the top to make 4. You'll pop those out. Then you're gonna loosen up these 3 screws right here, 1, 2, 3, and pull those wires off. I made sure I knew where they were going. The red and white was there. This is the double wiring, and that was a single. So when I pulled them through that little cover, then I removed that plate. Then I pulled that plate down. There was a connection as well right here. There's a little plastic harness, so just pull that out of, and it pulls off and on pretty easy. Once I had that off, my next step was pretty simple. Because I have multiple garage door openers, I just came over here and I pulled that back component off of this garage door opener. As you can see, I made sure to unplug it first, and then I unscrewed that and took that off. Once I have that back plate off, I was able to screw the one in, put it into place. Make sure that you actually get it screwed in because there are some gears and stuff there. We do not want to have any issues. So I just put 2 of those screws in at the top to secure it. And then I reset my garage door opener. Now to set that garage door opener, you're just gonna push on this little button here and hold it. You'll see a light. Hold it for 3 seconds, release. And then you're just gonna take your garage door opener, hold your button, and that will click and it'll reset your garage door opener. Now after we've set that garage door opener, we're gonna give it a test. We'll just hit that button. And then if I wanna stop it, I will hit it again. Pull back up, and then it will stop. So just off doing that 1 component swap, I was able to find my issue. If that did not find my issue, then I would continue to process through, knowing that that garage door over there is a working garage door. I would have processed through each of the components until I found what was not working, and then purchased that. And now if you work on control boards or would like to look at it, you simply remove the 1, 2, 3 screws and pull that off. Otherwise, you're simply just gonna flip it over and it will have the part number right here, and then you'll just go and order that part number. You can probably get that new on eBay or Amazon or used. I will probably order a used one, and hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as always, if you'd like to check out one of my other videos on how to program multiple remote controls, please check out that video here. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.